First, check the skimmer and the DAF main body. Fix the skimmer with a sling. Lift the skimmer up with a hoist. Make skimmer overhead the DAF. Make the skimmer down to DAF. The holes of the skimmer and the DAF should be aligned. Please note that the first two holes are reserve holes, and the third hole needs to be aligned. Then check whether the holes on the other three sides are aligned. After hose alignment, the skimmer fits perfectly with the position of the DAF. Put the flat washer on the boat. Insert into aligned holes. Then combine the nut, spring washer and flat washer in sequence. Slip it over the boat and tighten it. Use an electric wrench to tighten the bolts to prevent them from falling off. Follow the same method to screw the other three alignment holes with bolts and tighten them. At this time, the skimmer is firmly fixed on the DAF machine. Then connect the chain of the skimmer to the motor gear. Take out the chain connection accessories. Use pins to secure the connected chain. Put the chain piece on the pin. Use a chain card to fix the connection between the pin and the chain. Lock the chain card with the tool. The chain is connected. Finally, install the baffle and screw on the bolts to fix it. The installation of skimmer has been completed.